There is no doubt that AI is amazing, but sometimes AI does not give you correct information. For example, when you ask AI about a certain topic, it is not always going to give you 100% correct information. Sometimes the data it provides is just simply made up or unreliable data. But what if you had an AI tool that also gives you information about certain topic, but along with that, it cites the sources from where the data is collected? So hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review, and the tool I was talking about is Afforai. So this is an AI research assistant, and it is also a chatbot that can find information according to the data that you provide to it. Or you can also search for information from Google. But the best part is it is not going to come up with some made up data. It is always going to cite the sources, and this way you will know that you are always using 100% reliable data with sources. And the great news is Afforai is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200, but at Appsumo you are getting the lifetime deal of Afforai at only $49. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. So as you can see, you can download the conversation logs that you have engaged with Afforai. You will get data citations. You'll also get the API access. You can also view your document that you upload to Afforai in live. There are some preset prompts, and there are also a lot of other features. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 gives you 2000 credit for message, which means when you engage on conversation with the AI, you can create 10 chatbots and you can upload 100 document storage. If you want more limits, you can opt for the tier 2 or the tier 3. So if you want to buy Afforai on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Afforai, you will get this dashboard, and here is the chat or the chatbot. Now obviously you can start chatting with the chatbot, but before that, always make sure that you have turned this powerful mode on. It is going to deeply research and comprehend the documents that you upload on Afforai and answer exactly according to that document. You can also turn on the Google search, but first let me show you the document part. So if you want a chatbot that is based on a particular document, for example, it could be a book. So let me upload one. For uploading, go to this upload files. Now let's upload a book about marketing from my computer. You can also upload using URL or text file. So let's upload now. Okay, so as you can see, this is the file that I want to upload, Understanding Digital Marketing. So click on Upload Files. Now it is being uploaded and it is going to take some time. Okay, the PDF file about Understanding Digital Marketing, it has now uploaded, and a great feature is you can live view your document on the left side. As you can see, this was the book or the content or the PDF file that I just uploaded. So it is a basic introduction to digital marketing. And on the right side on this box, you can now start asking questions to your chatbot about this digital marketing book. For example, I want a summary of this book, so let's write that. So here is my prompt, give me a summary of Understanding Digital Marketing, which means this book. So let's see what we get. Click on send. So as you can see, the chatbot has came up with an answer about the summary about this book on the left side. You can see it on live. And the best part about Afforai is the data citation. As you can see, here is the citation. So if I click on this, now I can see exactly from where the data is collected, which means this summary was obviously based on some particular data, right? So I can exactly see that on the citation. So if I click on this first citation, so as you can see, the AI has used this part to write this summary. Let's check out some other citation. Let's check out this second one. And once again, the AI has to use this portion of text to summarize the Understanding Digital Marketing book. So this way you can even check the citation from here. Just you have to click on a particular one, and then it is going to take you to that particular portion. And these are exactly the text that the AI has used to come up with this summary. Now let's ask some very particular question from this book. So let's go to the top. Okay, so on this digital marketing plan, there is this part about situational analysis. So let's ask about that to the chatbot. So as you can see, here is my question, and always make sure you have powerful mode turned on, then click on send. So as you can see, this was my question, and this is the answer given by the AI of Afforai. And obviously the best part is citation. So you will also get exactly the source from where this data is collected to come up with this definition of situational analysis. So let's open the data citation and let's open this first one. So as you can see, this part, highlighted part, was used to come up with this answer on the right side. Let's check another citation. And this was also the part that was used. So this is amazing. You are getting real-time sources or citations about your data. As a result, you will always know that it is correct. You are never confused that if this AI has made it up, because it has clearly given some sources for this data, which is amazing. Now, I told you before that I was also going to show you this Google search feature. So using this Google search, you can even enable the AI to search Google for answers. And in that case, a lot of other AI tools are going to come up with some answers that are not reliable. But Afforai is once again going to give you the citations, which means the data sources from where the data was collected, even for this Google search feature. So let's turn this feature on. Now let's ask some questions, and obviously once you turn this Google search feature on, you are not limited to a document only in terms of writing questions. You can now write whatever question you want, and the answer might not be even on this document, but you can still ask the question since you have enabled this Google search feature. So let's ask about the founder of Microsoft. Okay, so this is my question. Now let's send this. So as you can see, the searching process has started. Okay, so here is our answer, and this is an amazing and a very thorough answer. And once again, the best part is the citations. So obviously I have got answer to my question, who is the founder of Microsoft. But obviously this answer could also be incorrect, right? But that is not going to be the case for Afforai because it is going to cite all the sources. So as you can see, Afforai has used this 1, 2, 3, these 3 sources to collect this data, to collect this answer. And if I open this first citation, let's go to the link. You can even upload the link to the chatbot, which is amazing. So as you can see, this is the article, and here all of the details about the founding of Microsoft is mentioned. So this is amazing. I'm super impressed with Afforai, I have to say that. Now let's go ahead and ask some other question. So as you can see, this is my question, and I think it's a more complicated question compared to this previous question. So let's ask this one and see what type of answer we get. Let's send this. So this is the answer, and once again I'm super impressed with the answer. It has came up with once again a very thorough answer, and here is the data citation, which is amazing. So I have tested and reviewed a lot of chatbots before, but I have never seen a chatbot that cites the sources so thoroughly. It is amazing what is Afforai doing. Now on the left side there are some other features. So if you go to these chatbots, on this section you can see all of your chatbots and also the instruction or the base prompt for the chatbot. You can also create some more chatbots if you want. You can see all of the files or the documents that you have uploaded on this section. You can also use some preset prompts. There are already some available on this section. And then there is file wizard. So on this section, you can upload a file. For example, it could be a document, and then you can ask the AI to translate the document to English, or you can ask the AI to explain the text in simple terms. You can even ask it to summarize. So that is what file wizard is about. And then you can also get the API access on this section. Overall, I think Afforai is an excellent chatbot, especially the data citation is amazing. It doesn't just come up with a random answer to your question. No matter if it collects data from a document or from Google search, it is always going to be very specific about the sources or the citations. So that is amazing. And if you want to buy Afforai on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below of this video. With the deal, you are going to get these features. And here are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.